Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40. It's a sunny Sunday morning. There's not too much traffic on the road. Hopefully the deliveries will go well. Is there something you can do about this? I don't know. I just pick up the bags.
Oh, can I ask the security guards? That's okay.
Yeah.
I'll have to do that on that one.
Okay.
I'll do it, Paul. Thanks, mate. Do it over there. There's something trapped in that one, mate. All right.
Thank you. And all it is fair, is washing stuff. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stops. 38 parcels. We've got a 3, an 8, a 3, a 6, which is age verified, a 7 and an 11. And they're all around Cheltenham. Let's go. I don't think that was always bent.
Hello?
Hello, I've got your Morrisons for you.
Okay. Upstairs.
Thank you. Which way? Oh, sorry. Hello. Thank you. There we go, that one. These are the important ones, the cat food, aren't they?
Yes, cat food as well.
Thank you. Ba-ba-ba. It's quite nice up here on the balcony, isn't it? A little bit of sun. Shakespeare Road. It was Shakespeare's birthday this week, and it was also, he died on the same day he was born, not in the same year. There we go. Hey, I like your crotch on.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, bye. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. I need to ask what year you were born.
27th of the 4th, 1953.
Super. I've just got 2 more bits to get for you. I'll bring them right round.
That's it.
And that one.
Put the marker down there.
There we go.
Thank
Okay,
you,
so
Emma.
close this.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, it's nice and sunny now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. I just got 3 more bags to get for you. Here we go. I think that one's got cold stuff in it. There you are.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. I never know where to stop here. There's some places where like there's no parking at all and you just have to stop and run. That one first. Yeah.
Right, cheers.
Nice weather. It's nice, quite nice driving around.
Yeah, it makes a difference.
Yeah. Here we go. All done for you. Cheers.
Yeah, that's right.
Have a nice afternoon. Yeah, you too. Cheers. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, finished in 1 hour and a half. £40 for the block, so that makes it £26 an hour. Not bad for driving around on a Sunday afternoon in the sun. The only odd thing today was the alarm going off with the bag when I took it out of Morrison's, and had to find the security guard, and then he had to take the little alarm thing off, and it was on dishwasher tablets. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe if you want to see more ride along videos and more Marvin's Flex tips. That's it for today. Catch you next time.